Hey everybody, want to know how I clean my soldering tips and change out paste soldering tips and keep them clean forever? Take a look at this video. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and ring the bell so you can get our videos on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. One of the things I wanted to demonstrate tonight with these paste units, they have a little screw for changing the tips. You can remove it all the way, or you can just go a little bit loose and leave it in there. This one's not hot, but you can see how it's more oxidized than one that we would been cleaning. You can see how putting the solder on this before we put it away keeps this from being oxidized. So we would just add a little bit more. Always put our soldering gun away with a little bit of solder on the tip. So we would just take a new one, put it back in there, tighten it up like that. Now this iron has been disconnected and off. You could use a little bit of abrasive material to clean these barrels up with. You want to do this when they're off and cool, so you're not hurting yourself. You can do the same thing with a tip by hand. You can clean the tip up like that. Okay, so we've cleaned our tip a little bit. We've cleaned our barrel a little bit. Now we're going to change this out on this Sensitemp unit. Remember, this one has been hot, so we're going to safely set that aside. Pad. that one sit there. We're going to bring in this refurbished unit that we just took the old tip and refurbished it. Turn this one back on. And you can see we've cleaned it up quite well by just rubbing it slightly with the abrasive. You can tell it's up to about 321 there. It's rapidly going up. Once it reaches around 600 and some degrees, we'll tin it. Okay, so we've turned the iron on. We're up to temperature. Now we're going to start the tinning process. Once we get it to take on there, where it's starting to stay on, we'll let it sit there for a few minutes. Now we'll clean it. Now we'll do it again. You see how it's starting to turn colors again. Now we'll let it sit for a minute. I'm just re-seasoning this tip, so to speak. You can see each time it's getting a little bit better. This is an old tip. Pretty wore out. I'm just trying to bring it back to life a little bit. And set it up there, sit there for a minute. This is why it's important to put solder on your tip every time you put it away. So now we're just going to let that sit there with that on it, and then we'll shut it off. We'll come back to it tomorrow, clean it up some more, see how it does. That's the way you can take a really, we'll get this old one, this old nasty one, and refurbish it. See what we can do with that.